Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. So I want to give you a quick update on what's happening on BTC and Ethereum and Nasdaq right now. And you can see that from what we were talking about on today's live stream, we pull back up exactly to the levels that I spoke about. You can see this box right here. And we start to see the market giving us some rejection. Now, because we are around Fibonacci levels, this is usually where the market is going sideways. So we are obviously going to go through the most important levels on these pairs. So continue to look at this video and I'll show you the most important levels on the pairs. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time and when I do have my daily updates. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter account because this is where I give you daily updates about the currencies that I see. But I do recommend you to be on my live streams because this is where I can give you some really accurate levels. If you want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies with indices, then Prosperity FX is the one that I really love. Another really good thing that they have, except the very low spread, is that you can get funded and keep 80% of the profit share. Another really good thing when it comes to these funded accounts is that when you have them, they have certain rules that you have to follow, which means that you need to be very disciplined. So one of the reasons why they're good is because when you have your own accounts, it's easy for us to just play around with it. But now we are getting accountable for everything that we do. If not, they're taking the account away from you, and you keep the 80% profit share too. So for you to be able to have this, you have the link in the description down below the video, also pinned right up here. But let us talk about BTC and what's happening right now. So overall, we have been retesting 35,735, and exactly as I spoke about, we pulled back up to this level and we saw the retest. Now we want to see, of course, what levels we can see the market come to. And we do have the support level down at 33,380. And around these levels, we can see the market continue to consolidate. So this is very important. One thing, we did break above the trend line, so we can take one Fibonacci now, and we can see that the 50% already got retested. But right now, if we see the market breaking below 34,246, this can also be an indication that we see the market drop down a little bit more. We also have another Fibonacci level down at 32,667 and 31,955. So if the market is not continuing to the upside right now, you can expect the market to consolidate here for a while before you see the market do anything else. But while this is happening, we can go to Nasdaq because Nasdaq is always providing a lot of really good movements while BTC can be a little bit stagnant. So what we spoke about today on Nasdaq, and this is also happening at the time, we have a support zone between 14,312 and 14,592. So this is a support level where we can see the market try to break below and then see the market climb inside of this channel that we have. But if we see the market giving us a clear breakout and potential retest, the next target that I am looking for when it comes to Nasdaq is 13,973 and 13,430. Now everything depends on how the market is behaving around these levels, and this is also, one more time, it's very important for you to be on my YouTube live streams, because when I have the live streams, it's easier for me to give you the different scenarios, etc. And of course, be on my Twitter too, but the live streams will always provide you with the most information, of course. The market is always giving us new levels, so we always kind of have to change our mindset around it, depending if we see the market break the level, if we see the market close inside again, like what levels are we looking at that point. So this is very important. I do use Fibonacci so much. So if you do not know how to use Fibonacci, look at the video that I have on my YouTube channel on the front page, and this is where I explain to you in under 10 minutes on how we're using it. Of course, you have to backtest it yourself, but you have the link to the video up here in the corner. Please master it because you're gonna see some really big changes on the charts between you and the charts. To Ethereum, we have the exact same thing happening. So the Fibonacci levels are representing support and resistance zones too, and we can see that the one of the levels, 1,800, we tried to break above it, but we failed to do it, and now we are below it one more time. So technically the last high and low on the, let us go to the 4 hourly. The last small higher low that we have is down here at 1,663. So we've already retested the Fibonacci at 1,760, but if we drop down, we can also drop down to 1,736. And this is a good combined with the 50% Fibonacci level that we have. So as I said in the beginning of the video, Fibonacci levels are representing support and resistance zones. So before we see the market giving us any more movements, whether that is to the big movements to upside or to the downside, we can see the market bouncing between these levels before this is happening. And this is why it's very, it's more fun to look at other pairs. And this is the reason why you can go into prosperity and you can trade Forex, index, cryptocurrencies, also, of course, metal, gold, oil, so you have so many different pairs that you can trade on this platform. So if you don't think it's fun to trade the market, or you don't understand exactly what the market is doing on the cryptocurrencies, then indices are really good, because you can even go down to the lower time frames and scalp the market and have some really good profits from that. Thank you everyone for looking at this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time, when I do have my daily updates. Also make sure to look at this video right here for the Fibonacci, and please give a comment below if it taught you anything new. Have a fantastic day everyone. Bye.